Alright, so this is my bike. Last bike check I did, it was all dark and shit. Couldn't see. So I figured I'd make a new one out here in the daylight. Now that I'm in my room. So, yeah. I got the Fit DAC grips, Fit Northwest bars, Fit down low regular stem flipped upside down, because I'm cool like that, you know. Odyssey integrated headset, Primo strand forks, Odyssey Vendero 2 hub, Primo spokes, Alienation black sheep rim, Fit FAF 2.25 tire, got a little dance comp sticker, dance comps is shit. I got the Duo Rogue Status V2 seat, I got the miniature animal wedge post, I got Fly Reuben pedals in plastic. They suck ass. I broke like 2 pins off already. I only had them for like a week. I got the premium S6 chain cranks, Fit bottom bracket, Odyssey Vermont sprocket, KMC super light chain in white. I snapped it, but I rebuilt it. Fit FAF 2.25 tire and back. Demolition Anorexia cassette hub, left-hand drive. Primo spokes, Alienation black sheep rim. Got the Eastern slip pegs in white, FBM hub guard. And then another Eastern slip peg and a night hub guard in front. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Weighs like 23 pounds, nothing's on its tie. I like it. I'm about to get the new S3.5 Aiken frame soon. And yeah, that's my box. It's my quarter pipe. That's how I do it around here. Later.